my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to conduct a mathematics class for the student of class nursery. My dear students, today's topic is write in number. Today's is part 7, okay? And this is our lecture number 7. My dear students, you have no homework today, okay? You have no homework today. Now, in the previous classes, we have already learned how to write down the number from 1 to 40, okay? Today's first number is 41. We will inshallah learn how to write down from 41 to 50, okay? That's why today's first number is 41, okay? Previous that one, we have already learned the number 40, okay? The 40 number is 40 is equal to 4, 0 makes the number 40, right? 4 and 0 makes the number 40. So, to write down the next number of 40, that means 41, our first number, we will write down 4 and 1, okay? 4 and 1 to write down 41. That means 1 is in the ones position, my dear students, and 4 is in the tens position. So, you can say that 4 tens and 1 make the number 41, okay? Or you can say that 4 and 1 makes the number 41. The next number of 41 is 42. How to write down 42? Identify at first the tens position and ones position, okay? In the ones position, we will write down 2. In the tens position, we will write down 4. That's why we can write down 42. That means 4 tens and 2 ones makes the number 42. Or you can say that 4 and 2 makes the number 42, okay? After 42, the number comes which is 43, okay? First of all, identify the place values name, okay? Now, we should put in the ones position the digit 3, and in the tens position, we should put the digit 4, okay? That means 4 tens and 3 ones makes the number 43. Or you can say that, my dear students, 4 and 3 makes the number 43, okay? Next number is 44, okay? 44. To write down that number, we should place in the ones position the digit 4, okay? And also we should put in the tens position the digit 4. That means, my dear students, 4 and 4 makes the number 44. And my dear students, this is the basic that 4 tens and 4 ones makes the number 44. After 44, the number comes which is 45, okay? To write down 44, my dear students, in the ones position we should write down 5, and in the tens position we should write down 4. So we can say that 4 tens and 5 ones makes the number 45, and you can also say that 4 and 5 makes the number 45, okay? The next number is 46. So go to the right side in there. My dear students, first of all, you should identify the place values name. It's tens and ones, okay? In the ones position you should write down 6, the digit 6, and in the tens position you should write down 4, okay? My dear students, we can say that it is 4 and 6 makes the number 46, or in the basic we can say that 4 tens and 6 ones makes the number 46. My dear students, again I am remembering you that 6 is not like this one, okay? You can't write down 6 like this one. This is not the 6. You should write down this way. This is the number 6, okay? Now 46, how to make? It's 4 and 6 makes the number 46. Now my dear students, the next number is 47. To write down 47, in the ones position we should write down 7, and in the tens position we should write down 4, okay? That means 4 and 7 makes the number 47, or you can say that 4 tens and 7 ones makes the number 47. 48 then, okay? 48 comes after 47. To write down 48, we should write down in the ones position the digit 8, and in the tens position the digit 4 to make the number 48. 4 tens and 8 ones makes the number 48, okay? That means you can say that also 4 and 8 makes the number 48. After 48, the number comes 49. My dear students, to write down 49, in the ones position you should write down the digit 9, and in the tens position we should write down the digit 4. That means 4 and 9 makes the number 49, or you can say that 4 tens and 9 ones makes the number 49. Our last number, my dear students, after 49, the number comes is 50, which is our last number today. 50. To write down 50, look my dear students, already the digit comes in the ones position in 49, which is 9, the biggest digit. Okay, that means after 9 we should write down 0 in the ones position. Okay, for writing 0 we should exchange the tens positions value. We should increase this tens position by 1. Okay, we had 4 in the 49 and we will write down in the 50, we should write down 5 in the tens position when we write down 50. That means 5 tens and 0 ones makes the number 50. Okay, 5 and 0 makes the number 50. My dear students, again come to the top here. It's 41, our first number today. It's 4 and 1 makes the number 41. Then it's 42. 4 and 2, my dear students, it's 42. Okay, 4 and 2 makes the number 42. Then after 42 the number comes 43. It's 4 and 3 makes the number 43. After that 4 and 4 makes the number 44. My dear students, the next number is 45. 4 and 5 makes the number 45. And then the number which is come is 46. Okay, 4 and 6 makes the number 46. Then the number is 47. Is 4 and 7 makes the number 47. After 47 the number comes is 48. It's 4 and 8 makes the number 48. Then it's 49. Okay, 4 and 9 makes the number 49. The next number of 49, that means our last number is 50. It's 5 and 0 makes the number 50. Okay, my dear students, I think you have understood my today's lecture. You have no homework today. Okay, so my dear students, keep practicing more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.